Hello everyone, my name is Joanne and I'll be taking you through the FoldForge app. So today we're going through orders. So here we have the orders page. From my end, this is my orders. We have total orders of 202, pending orders of 135, in progress order of 11, and completed orders of 27. I have delivered 6. I have a total order worth of 1.5 million. I need that money in my account. And collected payments of 207,000. So now the difference, in case it is any confusion, total order worth, as you can see, the total orders is 202. They are pending of 135. That's orders that have not been completed. There are those in progress that are 11, and those that are completed that they've been delivered and payment has been made. That's the one that is complete. That's 27. So those are the one that collected payments accounts to 207,000. So you get to see your orders here. You see the invoice number, the customer name, status, total, pickup date. So let's view one of that. So when a customer places an order, there are two ways to put in the order. You can do it manually or electronically, like online. So the order can be placed, the person brings the clothes to your business and you take in their orders by yourself, or they book you online. That's you. They click on your link, which can be posted on your Instagram, your TikTok, your WhatsApp pages, or status. So they click on the link and they put in all the details of what it is that they expect from you. They tell you, oh, I have 10 clothing items, I have two bed sheets, I have three shirts. I want them picked up on the I want you to come pick up from me on the 25th. I want them delivered to me on the 30th. All that. That is them doing that online compared to you doing it manually, that is putting it in yourself. So this is a customer's order. As you can see, you can download the receipt to send. You can print the receipt. You can share the receipt link. So paid, the method of payment, order status has been delivered, full name of the client, customer, full name, address, main outlet. These are the items that were laundered. Yeah, so these are the details of the order. As you can see, it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward, no confusions. So that is that about the orders. So next we have